Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks for your headphones JBL Tune 720. You have to start by opening the application. I recommended to install the application to enable a lot of features here. And the first one is these headphones have bass boost. So I guess it's like classic and I prefer this mode here. So you can enable in the equalizer, or you can also choose this another one or create your own preset. Next one, we have a voice aware here. So if you want to hear yourself better until you speak with someone, you can just manage this mode here. Next one, we have smart audio and video. So if you want to increase sound quality, I recommend it to use audio mode, and if you want to improve lip syncs, I recommend it to use video mode here. And next one, we have a sound balance, so you can also manage this right here. If you want to for the left one or for the right one, you can make it here. And next one, we have a voice prompts, and we can change a language of this voice prompts or disable this voice prompts if you don't need it. So I think it's a good one. And the last one, that these headphones have max volume limiter, so you can enable it, and that's good. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.